Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I am streaming by using an RTMP server with Docker. I have implemented it in my Raspberry Pi 5, and also I'm going to use Cloudflare tunnels or zero trust. I have created my tunnel which has the name Raspberry Pi 5. I have only one tunnel. My server is here. As I said before, I am using Docker, and here is my RTMP HLS server running, and I am using Cloudflare tunnels through Docker container. You can see that it is running. Okay, I exposed my RTMP's my streaming server exposed two ports, 1935 and 8080. 8080 is for the player, for the clients, and this port is for OBS. I'm going to start streaming, but before I'm going to update I'm not going to update, I have already updated it. Here is my local server. This is the IP of the Raspberry Pi 5. Now I am ready to start streaming. Sorry, let me show something that you will notice. If I access to my local IP 8080 port, you can see that this is the local server for the clients. And here is the status of my RTMP server. I have created a tunnel for this IP address. This address will be exposed to the world. Here is my tunnel. I'm going to configure. Where is? Here is public host names, and this is the local address. I am exposing to the world this address under this subdomain streaming. If I access this, you can see that outside of the network it works. This is the same content that I am getting inside my Raspberry Pi computer. Now I'm going to start streaming. You can see now I am streaming. Now I'm going to open my player. I'm going to update, and you will see the streaming. Wait a moment. You can see that I am watching my streaming by using a Blogger web page. No problems. The only limitation is that I am using the free plan of zero trust. It only allows 50 users. By using the standard plan, since that there is no limitations about the number of users, you can see here there is not 50 set limit. 1 point to have account. Okay, now I'm going to test locally my server, my streaming. I'm going to edit it, and here is the IP of this is the local IP of my Raspberry Pi. I'm going to open it with Chrome, and you will see the same. This is locally. You can see that there is no problems remotely and locally. Okay guys, I hope that this video was useful for you. If this was interesting, don't forget left your like. It's possible do streaming, make streaming by using Cloudflare tunnels. Just read the terms. There is no limitation. You can use, there is not 2.h term. Before there was here in the license terms that you will use tunnels for streaming. Cloudflare in that case will limit your streaming, but now there is no limitation. You can see here in the terms, you can see now it's possible, no problems. Okay guys, I hope this video was useful. Don't forget left your like, and if you want to implement your RTMP server for streaming, check my tutorial. It's in Spanish, but it's very easy to understand. You can use the translation of YouTube. This is the video. You can enable the audio translation, for example, English. You can see. You can follow my video if you are interested. You are interested in it. Okay, guys, that's it. Bye bye. Okay, guys, just for finish it, I'm going to stop my streaming. This will be replicated for the users. I'm going to pause this video. Now I'm going to wait a moment. There is a cache because the Docker container is running. It creates some files for the clients because I am using HLS, which is adaptive protocol. I'm going to update. There is a cache. Now here in the local player is stopped. No, sorry, it's not stopped. Okay, but what happens if I stop my Docker container of Cloudflare? I'm going to stop it. You can see now the Cloudflare container is stopped. I'm going to update my URL, and there is a problem. Now I'm going to start again my container. Now it's running. I'm going to update, and now it's working again. Okay guys, as you can see, it works. Bye bye.